Hello everyone, myself Kalpesh Kubel and today we are going to learn overriding and overloading in PHP. So what is overriding? Whenever there are two methods with the same name and same parameter exist in a class, then it is called as method overriding in PHP. So the main purpose of overriding is to change the behavior of a parent class method. So in function overriding, both parent and a child class should have same function name with the same parameter. For example, there is a class fruit which has two attributes name and color, and there are two functions construct and intro. Then there is a class strawberry which extends fruits and it has weight as a attribute, and there are again two functions construct and intro. So both the function names are same, base class functions are also same and derived class functions also same. So outside the class, whenever I'm creating an object of a derived class and I'm passing parameter, the derived class function will get called. So here we change the behavior of a parent class method, because normally parent class method get inherited in derived class and that method will get automatically called. But here what we did, we have same method in base class as well as derived class. So dynamically by method overriding we have changed the behavior of a parent class. So in the output we are getting the fruit is strawberry, the color is red and the weight is 50 gram. What is overloading? Overloading is nothing but the functions having same name but with different number of parameters. So in PHP, to achieve this concept, you need to call inbuilt function double underscore call. So for example, there is a function do task with one parameter, and also there is one more do task function with two parameters. And when you will create an object outside the class and you will call that function using that object, the compiler will give you the error because of the same name. So to achieve this, we need to use call function. So if class executes the double underscore call method, then an object of that class is called with the method that doesn't exist. Then the call is called instead of that method. Means if there is a method which we are calling outside the function which doesn't exist inside a class, then by default the call function will automatically get called instead of that function. So here is the example. There is a class shape and there is a function call. Inside that there are two parameters, name and argument. Then there is a code if name equal to area. Then switch will count the number of argument passed inside a call function. So if there are 0 arguments, it will execute case 0. If there is 1 argument, it will execute case 1. And if there are 2 arguments, it will execute case 2. Now outside the class, I have created a object of class shape called circle. Now using that object, I am calling area. But since there is no function area, so it will call the double underscore call function. Inside area I am passing just one parameter, so it will go inside call, it will match the name. So the name is matched with area, so condition will be true, and it will go to switch statements. Inside a switch it will count the number of argument inside the call function, area function. So there is one parameter, so it will execute case 1. Same way, second time I am passing two parameter with the area function. If this function does this, so the compiler will automatically call the double underscore call function, and again the name matches, so it will count the argument. There are two arguments, so it will execute the case 2. So now as per the code written inside case 1 and case 2, you will get the output on the screen. So this is the use of call function, which achieves the function overloading. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe and like my channel. Thank you once again.